Yo, what up everyone, welcome to today's video, and in this video I'm going to show you guys exactly how you can find 100x high quality good meme coins. I'm going to show you guys 3 ways, tips, trips, alpha platforms you can use in order to make a shitload of money trading Solana meme coins. I've been trading Solana meme coins myself for over 4 years right now, and I've gotten quite a lot of success, and I've done that by using some strategies, platforms and tactics no one has ever told you about, or you probably have never heard of, because yeah, basically no one is telling each other these because they are really insider information. But yeah, in today's video I'm going to expose 3 of these platforms and tips and trips. So let's just immediately get started on how you can find the next 100x meme coin and make a shitload of money. So, tactic and platform number 1 you need to start using in order to find 100x meme coins, and I know this is probably going to sound a little bit like a shill or promotion, but trust me it's not, is going to be Pedra. It's literally the best platform out there right now in order to find quick 100x good meme coins. Alright, maybe not 100x meme coins, you're not going to always find 100x meme coins, but you are at least going to find really high quality meme coins, simply because they have so many filters, features and possibilities in their platform. Now the reason why you want to use this platform over any other platform is because they just got acquired by PumpFun. And this is the most important thing. They got acquired by PumpFun, literally the platform where every single meme coin gets created. Meaning that every new feature PumpFun puts into their platform, it will immediately be transferred over to Pedra, where you're trading your meme coins. So let's say PumpFun has a new feature where maybe some new things with like creating meme coins or something, or where you can see something new, they will immediately transfer this over to Pedra because now PumpFun owns Pedra. So they want to of course make sure that Pedra has the newest features, and they will only transfer it over to Pedra. For example, Action, BooX, and Telegram Trading Bot, those will not get those features simply because they are not owned by PumpFun, and PumpFun will only push these features to their own platforms, which is now also going to be Pedra. And that's why Pedra, you need to start using it. Go to the first link in the description below, create your account, and you will get 40% off fees. Trust me, it's the best platform out there to find the craziest meme coins. I will also make a video on the best filters possible. So yeah, if you want to see that as well, make sure to like, subscribe, and go use the first link in the description below. You will help me out, plus you will get the best platform possible to start trading meme coins. It's so freaking good. Go to the first link in the description, create your account, takes 10 seconds max. So yeah, that's why this is just such an alpha move right now, switching over to Pedra. It's literally owned by PumpFun. Every new feature will only be transferred over to Pedra, and all the other platforms will not have these features, or at least not that quick. Because of course, when PumpFun announces something, it takes a couple of weeks or days at least before those other platforms can create these functions or features into their own platform. But because PumpFun now owns Pedra, they will immediately transfer it over to Pedra because they can already build it into it. It's really freaking easy, and it's just so freaking smart, so go use it right now. Best platform out there, first link in the description below. Now that we have that out of the way, the second way you can immediately start finding more and easy 100x meme coins is using CallScan. I don't know if you've ever heard about it, but it's basically a platform where you can find every single trade every single QOL leader or call is doing over on their wallets. It's the best tracker ever. You can literally see every single trade anyone on crypto Twitter is doing. You can filter on leaderboards as well. You can see these are all of the biggest crypto Twitter traders basically. What you can simply do is look at the daily leaderboard. This guy cashed, he made 8k today trading meme coins. You can click on his profile, you can see exactly what he is trading. You can copy trade him if you want to, but you can just at least see which coins they are buying and why they are buying it as well. And you can see exactly what they are doing, you can see their exact trades and everything. It's so freaking good. And maybe you don't want to copy trade them, because most of the time it's going to just pump and dump if you do that. But what you can do is just click on the coin. Simply by this it will bring you to PumpFun Advanced, which is going to be a much better version of PumpFun. Which is also a really good way to find meme coins. And then you can just see exactly the coin they are buying. Now sometimes they're just buying trash as well, but most of the time these QOL leaders, of course, they know what they are doing. They're not buying rug pulls, they're not doing some crazy sketchy shit. Most of the time they are trying to buy, of course, good projects. So if you just simply look at the coins they are buying, just click on it, then most of the time the coins they are buying are much better than just if you randomly start searching coins, because these guys have inside information, they know what they're doing, they're already been in the space for a really long time. So they know exactly which coins are trending right now, which coins you should buy. And if you just look at which coins they're buying, and you just take a little bit of time, research them, yeah, you can find some really good gems in here. For example, this guy just bought this coin, it's up massively. And that way you can just find really good coins you would normally not find, or maybe it would have taken really long before you found those coins. So yeah, CoolScan also just a really good platform you should use. It has so many features. You can see the daily, weekly, monthly. Also, if you just click on their Twitter, you can already go to the Twitter and see what they're talking about as well. It's so freaking good. So yeah, this one you definitely need to use as well. And now the last thing I would recommend doing if you want to find these 100x meme coins is also just using KOLs. But then just simply going over to Twitter, what you're going to do is type in a trending meme coin from Deck Screener. So Chillhouse, for example, right now is a pretty trending coin right now. It's trending number 2 over on volume at least. On Solana. So what you can do is you can type in Chillhouse. Now what you're going to see is a lot of people who are talking about meme coins. What you then simply want to do is click on their profile, and most of the time these are big influencers that are talking about coins, and you just want to see which coins they are talking about, and you want to research these coins. I mean, you have a lot of people talking about them, and most of the time these are people with massive followings, and they're just talking about coins just like these guys are doing right here, and you can just see what they're talking about. And if a lot of KOLs are talking about the same, it could potentially be something good, and maybe you want to research the coin. Or if a lot of KOLs are talking about different coins, you can just look into all of them and look at the ones you think can do the best, and then you can start buying those. So using this method, you can just easily find a lot of coins, because I know a lot of people are just looking at, for example, Pumpkin or maybe their platform, Pedra, where just they're seeing so many coins and they just don't know which ones to buy, because literally every minute tens of coins are being created. It's insane. So using CoolScan and using this Twitter method, you can just filter out the really small coins which are not getting any volume, and you're at least going to see coins which are getting volume and recognition over on crypto Twitter, which is the most important factor for driving a coin into the millions of market cap and potentially becoming a 100x coin. So that's why you either want to have really good filters over on your platform, which is going to be Pedra, first link in the description below, or just want to look at what other KOLs are doing, not copy trade them. I would not recommend doing that, but just looking at coins they're buying, seeing if they could potentially have some potential in them, and then just research if the coin is actually good, and then you want to start buying those coins. That's what I'm doing right now, and it's working for me. I mean, Solana is finally doing a little bit better again. I mean, it's at $200 again, and that way I am making quite some money right now. I literally made 10k in the last couple of weeks simply doing this strategy. So yeah, that being said, this is the end of the video. If you want me to make more videos where I explain maybe even more in detail how you can find 100x coins, maybe filters you want to use on Pedra, maybe some other things, just let me know in the comments below what you want to see, and I will definitely make it for you guys. And that being said, I will see you guys in my next video.